Have you ever wondered what happens if an astronaut spits in space? Spoiler, it could be dangerous. Enjoy the curiosity? Then leave a like, subscribe, and activate the bell for more insane space facts. If an astronaut sneezes inside the spacecraft or suit, the air has nowhere to escape. This creates a recoil force, like a mini push on his body. In microgravity, even the slightest movement counts. This sneeze can even make the astronaut move slightly backwards. But if he sneezes with his helmet removed in space, well, he won't last long enough to worry about the sneeze. The vacuum of space takes effect in seconds. Did you enjoy this intergalactic trip? Then leave that cosmic like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.